In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Wix domain for free, all within just 5 minutes. Whether you're setting up a personal blog, showcasing a portfolio, or launching a small business website, having a free domain can be a fantastic starting point. Let's dive right in so you can have your website up and running in no time. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Wix homepage. Wix is renowned for its intuitive design tools and user-friendly interface, making it perfect for beginners and seasoned web designers alike. Once you're on the homepage, you'll easily spot a button labeled Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Give that a click. This is your gateway into the Wix ecosystem where you can register for a free account. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Moving on, after you've accessed your account, you'll notice an option to Create New Site. Click on this, and it'll start guiding you through the process of setting up your new online space. Wix offers an impressive array of tools to streamline the creation of your site, so you won't need any technical skills to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to pick a template. This step is crucial, as Wix provides a diverse collection of visually striking templates that cater to different types of websites. Whether you're setting up a retail page, a portfolio, or a blog, pick a template that resonates with your vision. Don't worry if it's not perfect from the get-go because you can customize it next. Now comes the exciting part, customizing your template. Wix's drag-and-drop editor makes this process incredibly simple. Explore the possibilities by changing images, adding text, and rearranging elements to fit your aesthetic. You can play around with colors, fonts, and other design features to make your website uniquely yours. Don't forget to frequently hit the preview button to see how your changes look in real time. Finally, when you're satisfied with the design, it's time to publish. With a free account, Wix provides a domain in the format of username. wixsite.com/sitename. It's a straightforward and cost-effective way to make your website accessible to everyone online. Remember, although the domain includes Wix branding, it's an excellent starting point while you get everything set up. And there you have it. Within 5 short minutes, you've learned how to secure a free Wix domain and set up your site. This beginner-friendly method gives you the flexibility to create a dynamic web presence without an upfront financial commitment. Start exploring and having fun with it, and when you're ready to go pro, you can always upgrade to a custom domain plan later on. Thanks for tuning in, and happy site building.